Let's make tempeh bacon. This is a delicious plant-based alternative to bacon. Start by making a simple marinade. 3 tablespoons coconut aminos. Alternatively, you could use tamari or soy sauce. That's going to give us a salty vibe. Vinegar for that tang. I'm using rice vinegar, but you could use apple cider vinegar. Rounding out those flavors, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, a half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Those were giving us that smoky, bacony flavor. A half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I'm adding some optional ingredients, including some garlic powder and onion powder and some black pepper. You can play with the quantities, the amounts of each of these ingredients based on your preferences. A little goes a long way. For bacon style strips, slice your tempeh as thinly as you can. I like to aim for getting about 20 to 25 pieces from one block. Tempeh is made from fermenting soybeans, and the fermenting process, there's a slight bitterness. What you can do to eliminate that bitterness, you can boil for about 10 minutes. That will eliminate that bitterness. Tempeh is a fermented soybean product. It's packed with protein and fiber. It has 0 cholesterol. You want to let this soak for at least 10 minutes. 30 minutes to an hour is even better. Once you've marinated your tempeh, go ahead and place them on a parchment lined tray. I'm doing a no oil version, so I would use a nonstick pan if you're going to do that. Obviously, if you have a soy allergy, skip the tempeh bacon. From here, you can pan fry, air fry, or bake in the oven until the strips are browned and just a little crispy on the edges. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Oven temps vary, so just watch and make sure that nothing burns and you get the browned crispiness that you want. Smoky, savory tempeh bacon, you can layer it into wraps and sandwiches or use it as a topping on roasted veggies or crumble it over like soups and salads. There's a butternut squash soup coming out soon that I'm using this as a topping. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoy videos like this, and thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you there.